Day number 854. 854 days ago, the war started in Ukraine and everything has been changed in the world. Welcome today. Today, in the daily newspaper of Wednesday. Yes, it's Wednesday, June the 26th, 2024. We have here in this newspaper 3 regular puzzles. One of them I've already solved. A 3 stars Sudoku. Well, it turns out this is a 0 stars puzzle. We have 2 puzzles left, the binary and the Sudoku with 4 stars. And in this newspaper we have also an additional with extra puzzles. 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve, not now, but in the evening. Now I will continue with the second regular puzzle. The second regular puzzle is a 4 star Sudoku number 8793. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 24. Yeah. Pleased that this one has 24 printed digits, because usually the 4 star Sudoku has 24 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for a 4 stars puzzle, we need 30 minutes or more. Yeah. Is this really a 4 stars puzzle? We don't know. We'll see. So let's get started. All right. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 3 ones, 2 twos. Correction. 3 threes. 3 threes. 2 fours. 3 fives. 4 sixes. All right. 2 sevens. 1 8 and 2 nines. So the sixes are majority. Can I start with 6? Let me see. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in the second column. No 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 6. No, I cannot continue with the 6. How about 5 in this column, 5 in that column. So the column between middle column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 7 in 7 there. Well, need 3 here. And I need yeah. 1 1. 1 in this row, 1 in the row below, so the last row, the only 2 places left, 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in the third column, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 1 1. Need a 5. 5 in this row, 5 in the row below, so the last row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 5. Need a 5 here. 5 in this column, 5 in the column next, so last column, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 in the first row, 5 in the third row, so the row between the second row. The only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have 5 in the first column, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 5 in the first column, 5 in the third column, so the column between the second column. The only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 5. 6 in the third row, 6 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 6. 6 6. And I need a 6 here. That means in the last row, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in the last row. One of the missing numbers is 6. Here can be 6, we have 6 in the middle column, no 6 there. Here can be 6, we have 6 in this column, no 6 there. And here can be 6, we have 6 in this column, no 6 there. So the only place left for the 6 in the last row should be there. Alright. Then 2 2. 2 2. Okay. Wow. Need an 8 here. Need an 8 there. Yes. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have an 8 in this column, so no 8 in these two boxes. So the 8 in this big square could be here, or there. So we have 8 in one of these three boxes in this column, 8 in the column next on the last column. The only place left with 8 should be there. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have 8 in this row, so no 8 in these three boxes. So the 8 in this big square could be here, could be there. 8 in this row, 8 in one of those two boxes in the row below. So last row, the only place left with 8 should be there. 2 numbers left now in the last row. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 3 and the 7, 3 and the 7. Let me mark those two boxes. So we have a 7 in one of those two boxes in the last row, 7 in the row above from that row. The only place left with 7 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. For the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and the 6, 3 and the 6. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 3 goes there. 3, 3, okay. So we have a 6 in the first column, 6 in the second column, so the third column. Only 2 places left with 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 6. 1, 1, okay. How about the number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and 8. We have a 2 and 8 in the middle column, so no 2 and 8 in these 3 boxes. 2 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. So what are these 3 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. 1, 4, 9, 1, 4, 9. That means 1 digit left in this column for them are 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing here. Alright. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 4, 7, 8. 4, 7, 8, 4, 7, 8, 4, 7, 8. And look, this box can be a 7. We have a 7 in this column. And this box can be an 8. We have an 8 in this row. So no 8 there. So the 7 and 8 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 7, 8, 7, 8. We have a 7 in this row. No 7 there. 7 should be here and 8 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 4. Alright. Then 2, 4, 9. Need a 9 here. Come on. Mark those two boxes early with 8. We have 8 in this column, so no 8 there. 8 should be there. So we have a pair now. The 1 and 8 in this column. The 1 and 8 in the first column. So the column between the second column. The only 2 places left for the 1 and 8 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this column. Second column for the 1. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7, the 8, 9 is missing here. 2 numbers left in this big square for us. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing, 4 is missing, 3, the 4, 3, the 4. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this row. 4 numbers, the 1, 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing, 2 and 9, 2 and 9. Let me mark those two boxes. That means 1 digit left in this big square for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing here. So we have a 4 in the last column, 4 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left. The 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this row. No 4 there. 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only 2 places left. The 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this column. No 4 there. 4 I should be there. 4, 4. Okay. We have a pair. The 4 and the 7 in this first column, the 4 and the 7 in the second column. So the third column, the only 3 places left for the 4 and the 7 goes in these 3 boxes. 4 and the 7, 4 and the 7, 4 and the 7. And look, we have 4 and the 7 in the second row, so no 4 and 7 in this box. 4 and the 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this third column for the mark. 1, the 2, the 3 is missing here. Alright. Alright. Now, let me see. 2 numbers left in this row. 4 numbers. 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 1 and 9, 1 and 9. We have a 1 in the last column. No 1 there. 1 should be here. 9 goes there. So we have a 1 in this row, 1 in that row. So the row between. The middle row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 2 numbers left in the last column for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. The 8, the 9. 2 and the 9. Sorry, again. The 2 and the 7 are missing here. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. We have a 7 in the middle row, no 7 there. 7 should be here and the 2 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for the 1. 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 7 and 3, we have 3 now in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 7 goes there. 7 in this column, 7 in the last column, so the column between, the only 2 places left, 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 4 and 7, we have a 7 now in this row, so no 7 there, 7 should be here. 4 goes there. 4 in this row, 4 in the second row, so the first row. The only place left for the 4 should be here. We have here the 1, 4, and the 9. I've marked these 3 boxes earlier with 1, 4, and a 9. Well, this box can be 4, that box can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be here. So the other 2 should be 1 and a 9. Let me mark those. 1 and a 9, okay. Here, 2 and a 9. 2 and a 9. Okay, 2 numbers left in this big square for us. 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. Alright. Here, 1 and a 9. Let me think. 2 numbers left in this row, middle row for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, 8 goes there. 2 and an 8, we have an 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, 2 goes there. 1 and an 8, we have an 8 in this row, first row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, 1 goes there. Then, let me see, 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and 9. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 9 goes there. And now, let me see. Here are 2 numbers left. The 2 and the 9. We have a 2 in the second row, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 9 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 9. I've marked those 3 boxes with the 8. We have an 8 in the first row, no 8 there. We have an 8 in the third row, no 8 there. The only place left for the 8 should be there. So the 1 and a 9 are left. We have a 9 here, so this box should be a 1, and that box should be a 9. 2 and a 9, we have a 9 in the third row, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 2 goes there. Final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing, 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 2 in the third row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 1 goes there. Finished in 13 minutes. I cannot believe this again. It's not a 4, not a 3, not a 2, not a 1. It should be a 0 stars. I'm faster than 13 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time, and I like this one, so we'll do the thing. So thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also myself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the last puzzle, the binary puzzle. Until then, bye bye for now.